Ready.
Ready.
Set.
Set.
Go. We got a 145-2, 900 watts.
Damn, that light bright.
Time 145.2, 904 watts. Hey, you didn't give me your judging sheet. You didn't give me your judging sheet. Do we don't write it? I mean, if not, you can have a blank one.
12, 15, 18. That's gotta be a 6. Well, everybody's lining up. Don't mind me. Actually, I'm gonna record mine. A little Port Wars box. Of course, Girthy, Bergie, and the XB. Uh-oh, did the Focus not make it? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Would you speak to me? Doubt you can see anything in there. Hey, turn the light on. I don't want to get copywritten. That thing is thinging right as hell. Kids spacing out. Base head, the mini base head.
Hey, look, he finally breaks the 60.
20 seconds.
163.4.
Ready. Set. Go.
Now we're clamping properly.
20 seconds.
Got a 155. 10 seconds to go. 155.4. 6663 watts.
4, 3, 2.
And time. Solid 155.339 hertz. Almost like he knew what he was doing. That's why I said I got nothing. They win. All right. Looks like Tony's about queued up. He's got the thumbs up. When I hear the bass start, I start the meter.
Ready. Set. Go.
36 hertz.
20 seconds. 10 seconds.
We got a 152.2, 10 seconds ago. Went to 152.1, 152 even. I don't think the door closing helped.
1.
And time! That was 36 hertz, buddy. That was a little low compared to what you normally run for that class. Oh. I have no idea what that means. All right, we got a 151 at 36 hertz. It says 46 on the board. Well, he peaked at 36. Okay. What's that? Well, no. When the board freezes, it's at much better. Got a 156, 39 hertz. 156.2 and holding. Why do you keep blocking the door and lowering your score, jackass? Let that bitch breathe.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time! 155.9. Got a 10th jump at the end there. Alright, let's do that base battles run now. Don't worry, he's not doing that again, guys. He's doing base battles now. I know, right? Hey, anybody want to go get me some food while we wait for him to get queued up? Jesus shit. All right.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Tony Burgee Team JSS Street Beat 3. 155.9 dB. This is a retry for Tony Burgee Team JSS. This score is higher than the previous score. USAC qualifying rounds. Brought to you by your mom. Lane 1. Tony Burgee Team JSS Base Battles Modified Class. Competitors stand by.
Here we go.
Ready, set, go.
24 hertz. 156.3, 24 hertz. That's all the flappy over there.
God damn. The whole door broke.
154.4 at 24 hertz.
With the strap. Damn. Hold on, let me grab this out. All right, now. Well, rip it off. Push him in.
Oh shit.
Oh, damn.
It's a formatted song. He strapped it down. Roll it back down. All the way down. Bro, it's out of the fucking track. Okay, roll it back up. Get somebody to hold that shit.
I ain't holding that motherfucker. You seen what that shit do? You gonna break your fucking wrist.
Did you get that shit on video?
I got all the footage.
I am.
All right, you got 3 minutes.
Hey, it ain't gonna take me that long to take.
Sounds good.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Tony Bergie Team JSS Base Battles Modified. 154.4 dB. Competitors stand by.
That's not gonna help.
Little warmer there. You get your sauna on.
Hey, don't discourage me. Bro, I'm not gonna turn that yet.
Once again, I'm not holding that motherfucker.
I'm ready when you are. All right, we got that 1 minute music run about to get sloppy again. You know, if you need, you can have somebody hold that window too.
Fuck that. Nope.
I got you.
Don't be scared. Put your hands on it. I know, right?
Let's see who's gonna let go of that door.
Look at that 2 dB gain by keeping that pressure in the cabin. Overall
That
score
tape really
12
works.
points. Base battles modified.
I gotta take all that shit off
Give me
now.
my mic and get out of my lane.
Hey, bring your camera.
What the fuck? Why nobody told me this happened? A little bit too much vibration.
Damn. Trying to run from you. Hey, it says, come out, come out. God damn.
The amp almost left the
Hey,
chat.
it's still on. It's still on, but fuck. He was just. It said I'm leaving. He was running like a motherfucker.
Well, that was entertaining for as long as it took.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're gonna have to have your own segment on my fucking channel. That was a good 30 minutes worth of fucking footage. There's a lot of editing happening. 56